Okay, so this is to let you know that Milwaukee Tools makes replacement parts, and in particularly for lamps. I've had this lamp for a long time. It's still available to purchase. It is part number 235120. It is a LED Sticklight, and it's pretty nice. It's on and off, so there's no slider or anything to dim it down. Has a cute little hook here thingy. You can hang it up. You can hang it up this way, put it on things if you need to. Lock it in place. It's a real nice light. I use it quite a bit, as you can see. See, I don't know if you can tell. Maybe you can see it's kind of dim, as opposed to actually seeing the scratches and stuff that's on here. And you can also see a lot of dirt. I actually use it. So anyway, over time this becomes scratched up, you know, whether you touch it with your hands or drop it or whatever the heck else happens. So we're going to replace this and make it all new again. Yay! All right, let's do that. Okay, we're going to need a T10 to replace it with. And so I have a real long one, but I don't want to use a long one. So I have this little extension here. It's magnetic, so we'll just pop it in there and use that. Alright, get my little T10 ready, and I'm going to need a battery. I'll use this one. So I get this is a compact battery. It's also the 1.5. Okay, going in the correct direction. Now we need to take these 4 screws out. Fun working around the camera. Okay, we have the 4 screws out, and then you just pull it out at the top. And that's how it comes off. So you just pull it out at the top this way, and there's a little lip on it there. So here's the old one. I can see a lot of scratches on there now that it's separated. So you can see it's pretty scratched up. Let me show you the new one. So the part number for this particular model, for the 235120, the replacement part number is 1438055, and note that it comes with screws. Alright, I'm going to take my Milwaukee cutter and cut this open. Make sure I don't mess up the lens. So, here are the new screws and the new lens. Alright, new lens, old lens. New lens, old lens. Yeah, no mixing those up. Now the old me would have just reused the old screws, but you know, new me, I'll just throw these in the hardware bin and use the new ones to install the new part. It tore it off, it didn't cut the tape. Alright, out with the new and in with the old. Alright, we're going to install the new piece, and the way we're going to do that is we are going to set it in place, and note how the lip right here is sticking over there. It will not go on the way it came off. Boy, you sure can tell the difference. So it will not go on this way, and that's the way we took it off. So you just kind of set it in place and then just lock it down. Now we put in our 4 screws, and that's just, the 4 screws are just going to tighten everything up. Boy, that's a big difference. I think I'm gonna Go down to 2 here. All right, let's see what I can do here. All right. Fun stuff, trying to stay on camera. I like that. All right, there we go. Get the glare off, out with the old, in with the new. Wonderful, wonderful. It was like 17 bucks plus shipping. I don't know, less than 20, a little bit of time. Put some electrons in it. Ooh. You like my playing around? Yeah, that's definitely a whole lot better. Let's see, I wonder if I can... Yeah. I know camera is difficult. The lens changes, the software in the camera changes it, but you can see there's definitely a difference. Anyway, thank you for watching.